Hey loves, thanks so much for tuning in. It has been a while since you guys have saw my face. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you so much for helping me out with today's DIY choice. I did a poll in my community tab and asked you all what you wanted to see in today's DIY out of St. Patrick's Day, Easter, or home decor. And the majority voted for home decor, so here we are. I got all of my products with the exception of this long piece of mirror from the Dollar Tree. I got these beautiful pink candle holders from Dollar Tree. I love these. These are gorgeous. I've been struggling with what to make these with, so I'm so happy to start today's DIY. You'll be needing 9 of the square mirrors from Dollar Tree, as well as 3 of the circular mirrors from Dollar Tree, and some adhesive diamond wrap in the silver bling color, okay? Lastly, you'll be needing some goop or E6000 and some scissors. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, I'm going to take all of my square mirrors and I'm going to apply bling all the way around them using the adhesive diamond wrap. So you'll be taking your mirror and I'm basically just going to measure on one side and 2 rows in all the way around and apply the bling wrap around the mirror. I'll show you. You're going to remove the adhesive backing and apply your first strip of your diamond wrap to one side. So here's what it looks like once you've went ahead and you added your diamond wrap all the way around. You're going to do this to all 9 of your mirrors. Next, I'm going to take my long piece of mirror and I'm going to lay it out on my table and then add the smaller mirrors onto it. Now, if you don't have a piece of mirror, you can take a piece of a long plank wood and paint it either silver or white, and that will work for this as well, okay? So what I'm going to do next is take my mirrors and align them in the position that I want them to be in. Before I place my mirrors down, I'm going to take these little stoppers on the back of my mirrors off. Once you have all of your mirrors in your desired locations, we're going to take some of our glue and glue all of them to the back of the mirror. For cleanup, I'm just going to take some of these Clorox wipes and clean up some of the residue from the glue. So next I'm going to take my round mirrors and I'm going to place them right in the center in 3 specific locations on top of the square mirrors, okay? So just add glue to the bling wrap behind it because that's the part where it will be touching. Lastly, I'm going to take these beautiful pink candle holders that I got from Dollar Tree and we're going to glue them down on top of the circular mirror like so. Then add your glue right on the bottom. And that is how to complete today's DIY. My suggestions for candles to go inside of this will be the smaller tea light candles that you can get from Dollar Tree. They're lightweight and they won't add any more additional weight to your piece. If you're worried that this is going to fall, trust me, E6000 or Goop is really going to stick very well to this and you won't have any problems with it. So those are my suggestions, and as for how to hang this, you're going to use the Velcro command strips. I have some in the kitchen, sorry I didn't grab them, but they're going to have the stickies on the back of them. Place 2 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 2 on the bottom on the back, and you can just add them to your wall. So that's how to hang this piece. If you have enjoyed today's DIY, be sure to hit the subscribe button, also hit the notification bell. That way you can be alerted every single time I upload a new video. And lastly, I'll be going live here on YouTube at 8 p.m. I want you guys to interact with it. So there will be a link in the description box. It's going to be a trivia, fun, kind of a popular opinion game show that I want to do just to have fun and to interact with you guys, which I love to do. So check out the link to that. It'll be in the description box. I hope to see you guys there. I'll see you very soon in another DIY. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Love you all. God bless you. Bye.